Guys, what is up? I just won my last game to get promotion, and well, obviously I got rewards for getting promotion. Not the best rewards, obviously, because it's versus Club Division 8, but it's still decent, and I've got other packs saved up, and hopefully we can pack someone good. Obviously, we do pack someone good, that'd be amazing. Maybe some primary moments or new card types like Carnivals or anyone like Neymar's and that. First one we get a future star, which is good. Your guy, isn't it Bientin Cure? I'm not sure how you say his name. Bientin Cure, yeah, I think so. But yeah, that's a good start. An 89 future star, got Gnabry as well. Not really the best, but of course. Oh well, we got an icon, but it's okay. Probably Deco. No, okay, it's Rui Costa. But yeah, an icon, but obviously I think they changed it. Base cards don't get a walkout now, no matter what rating they are. We've got Mahrez, decent. Another inform. It's a walkout at least this time. Germany. Alright, we got Sane, that's decent. Oh, he's new. Okay, I didn't even know I didn't have him. And we got David Silva. Not a walkout again. Suso. Another icon, let's go. Not a prime icon moment again. It's, let me guess who it is. Desai. It could be Desai. Yeah, is it? Yeah, it's Desai. Wow, got it right, okay. Two new players as well. Another inform, not decent. Right, Jesus, that's terrible. But we used all those. We got Foot Champions pack now, and we get a walkout in our first one. Italy. Donnarumma. Yeah, it's Donnarumma. But which one is it? That's the question. 87. Decent. Chesney as well and Rami. Another walkout. That's decent. French Mbappe. Oh wow, it is Mbappe. I was 89. Oh, and we got Fernandinho. No, Ferdinand. What was I on about? Icon. We've got... Who's this? Did we just get... Wait, Mbappe again? What the hell? What the hell? That's so weird. Right, but we got Mbappe. And another icon. Figo. Nice. Jeez. Salah. Is it 90? Alright, it's 89. And Naldo, new card. Another icon. I mean, walkout. This is pretty insane. Brazil. Who's this? Sandro Douglas Costa. Decent again. 87. And he's new, so that's always good. Higuain as well. And Sorterera. Icon. Nice. We got an icon and a foot champ player. It's not prime icon moment though. Who's this? Pele, Socrates. No, oh, it is Socrates. Alright, decent. And Parejo. So that's decent as well, because he's new. Got special plus pack. I'll open all of them. Hopefully we can pack someone good. We got inform. No. Another inform. Jeez, these are terrible. Oh my god, that's so terrible. Oh yes, is that team? Is that a nominee card? Who's it? Oh, it's Ericsson, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's Ericsson. He's new. Oh, it's go. But again, like I said, it's not a walkout. Inform. Okay, it's not a walkout as well. Terrible. Man. Bad informs. It's a walkout. Let's go. And it's oh wow. Team D nominee. Who's it though? Pogba. We just got Pogba. Let's go. I don't think I have him as well. And it's new. Nice. Douglas Costa as well. Another inform. Jeez, man. Oh, another inform. Jeez, what's with the 75 rated? Yes, another icon. Let's go. Come on, be prime icon moment. Nope, it's not. Okay, we've got so many icons. Who's this? Figo. Oh, it's Eusebio. That's decent. That's really good. 89 version though. Who else? No one else. Inform. No one else as well. Oh. Ramos. Icon. Let's go again. Not a prime icon moment. What the hell? England. Ferdinand. Ah, oh, Campbell. Decent, but not an icon moment, which I want. Oh, let's go. Chiellini. Let's go. 90 rated inform. Another. Oh, yes, let's go. Another icon. Oh, it's not icon moment. What the hell? This is so weird. Figo this time. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna be Rui Costa or something. Oh, it is. Oh well. Kimmich. Dost. Sabitzer. Two more of these, and we get an icon. Let's go. Not an icon moment. Oh, this hurts. What is this? Come on, be Cruyff. Oh, okay. It's probably going to be Van Basten. Van Basten, 89. Last one of these, and it's an inform. Damn it. I'm going to open a few more special packs, maybe try and get an icon moment. Pogba. Costello. Another inform. Alon's Pizzi, okay. Terrible informs. Oh. Buffon. And a man of the match. Inform. Terrible inform again. Come on. Walk out, let's go. And it's an icon moment, yes. Okay. Mateus. Oh, okay, it's Lemon. Decent, because I wanted one. And I finally got one, so I'm actually really happy with that, because he's new as well. But, yeah, I'll probably be